Here is the B&K Precision Model 5491B, a 50,000 count, 4 3/4 digit true RMS bench digital multimeter. It provides accurate and reliable measurements for a wide range of test and measurement applications, including education, service and repair, and manufacturing. The front panel consists of easy-to-use soft rubber control buttons, sheathed safety banana input jacks, a milliamp fuse box for easy fuse replacement of blown low current protection fuses, the on-off power button, and a bright VFD display capable of displaying 2 different measurement parameters simultaneously. Around the front and rear panels is a protective bezel designed for safe and secure stacking of other compatible instruments. The sides of this meter house the adjustable handle, which also doubles as a convenient tilt stand. The rear panel consists of a 110 220 volt selectable fuse protected AC line input, earth ground connection screw, USB virtual COM and RS-232 communication interface.